In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile a bank transaction manually in Xero. Whether you're tackling this process for the first time or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through the steps to ensure everything is correctly matched up. Having accurate financial records is essential for any business, and reconciling your transactions is a fundamental piece of that puzzle. To get started, you'll first want to log in to your Xero accounting software. Open up your web browser and navigate to the Xero login page. Enter your login credentials, your email, and your password. Once entered, click that login button to access your Xero account. As soon as you're signed in, you should find yourself on the dashboard. This is your central hub within Xero where you can access various features. For the purpose of reconciling a transaction, direct your attention to the section where it mentions Reconcile items. Click on it. This will take you to a list of transactions waiting to be reconciled. Now you'll want to click on Account Transactions. This action brings up an overview of all transactions associated with your account. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section as it provides a comprehensive view of your financial activity. If at any point you feel unsure or need assistance, you can click on the Help icon. This icon, symbolized by a small question mark, offers guidance and insights on many features within Xero, helping you to feel more confident as you proceed. Once you're comfortable, select Enable Mark as Reconciled. This option is crucial as it allows you to manually reconcile transactions. With this enabled, find the transaction you need to reconcile. This might be a transaction that hasn't automatically matched up, or perhaps one that requires some manual adjustments for accuracy. After locating the desired transaction, click on More, followed by Mark as Reconciled. This action marks the transaction as matched and clears it from your list of outstanding items. It's like ticking off an item from your financial to-do list, providing a sense of completion. For the final step, confirm the action by clicking Mark as Reconciled once more. This ensures your changes are saved and the reconciliation is complete. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've manually reconciled a transaction in Xero. It's a straightforward process, but a vital one to maintain accurate financial records. By regularly checking and reconciling your transactions, you can ensure your financial data remains consistent and reliable. If you're ever uncertain about a step, you can always revisit this guide or explore the help features within Xero for more detailed information. Thanks for watching and happy reconciling.